the end of the weekend, but I She just wants to close her eyes and sway. Exercise your right to work it out. Shout out to the birthday girl, say hey, say hey. Everyone deserves a night to play, and she plays only when you tell her no. If these walls could talk, I can feel your rain when it cries. God lives inside of you. If these walls could talk,
Hey guys, I am out of the gym. This is my first time in 2022 of being in the gym. First time since cancer diagnosis. Pretty much trying to incorporate the gym with this Daniel fast that I am on day 8 of the Daniel fast. So far I am down 6 pounds, which is great. Again, that's not the purpose of the fast. The purpose of the fast is just to get your mind and your body right to prepare for whatever 2022 will bring. So yeah, so I got into the gym today and I'm super proud of myself, hoping that I can continue on with the gym for the next 13 days. That's how many days I got left. I'm hoping that I'll be able to at least work out 9 out of those 13 days. That is the goal. I just want to get myself used to going to the gym every day. So the goal is for the remaining of this week, Monday through Friday, to get up at 5 a.m., get in the gym, get out, get home in time to wake my grandson up. That was the routine I used to have. You definitely, even if you don't gain any weight, you definitely can see the difference in the shape of your body. For a long time, I hadn't worked out maybe in months, and I wasn't gaining any weight, but I definitely can tell the difference in the way that my clothes fit. On some of these videos, honey, how I look from the back. That back angle has got to change. That's what really prompted me to get my tail up in this gym today. I have got to get that the back together, because you know, you see yourself from the front, you say, oh, I don't look that bad, but that back angle, honey. Anyway, so I am now gonna head over to Sprouts. I'm out of almond milk to make my smoothies in the morning. I am going to meal prep. That's another thing that I'm going to show you guys, is that I have been using HelloFresh. It is amazing service, and no, I'm not sponsored. I am just keeping it real with you. My family is in love with HelloFresh, okay? And it's a great meal service. It's about the same price that I would pay for groceries every week, except, you know, it's just dinner. So I am having to still buy things for breakfast. My family is a breakfast eating family, and you know, so a couple items for lunch, but mainly breakfast and dinner is what we eat in my house. So therefore, I really think it's a great service. You should try it out. I'm going to show you one of the recipes that I'm using, because it's a vegan recipe. I know my family's not going to eat that, so I'm going to prepare it for myself today to meal prep to eat for lunch for the whole week. So stay tuned and I will be back. Sometimes I think you're just too good. The biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too good. The biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too good. The biggest.
got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. You got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. You got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. You got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. You give me the sweetest.
morning. Yeah, so today is day 8 of my Daniel fast. I'm going to go and jump on my bike for at least 30 minutes downstairs. For some reason, I cannot get my butt up at 5 like I used to. But that's okay. I'm going to get something in. But I want to go ahead and weigh myself. Because, child, I believe, I'm trying to see where I'm at. So hold on for 1 second. Yeah. Well, you guys see, I'm at 227.7. You know, and I started this thing at 233 and some change. So that's almost 6 pounds, but I've been kind of stuck there for a couple of days. I'm sorry, I'm just talking and y'all ain't even in view. Anyway, I'm stuck there. Been stuck there for a couple of days, so I'm a little bit disappointed, but it is what it is. You know, that's just how it goes with Tanya's weight, honey. No matter what I do. Anyway, so I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some workout pants and my tennis, head on downstairs and get on this bike before it's too late. I don't know what time it is. It's 6:46, so at least for 20 to 30 minutes, I'm gonna get on this bike before I have to make mom breakfast because today is a work day. So I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Hey guys, so yeah, why's my head cut off? I don't know. Let's see. There we go. So anyway, I did finish my biking. I did like 30 minutes on that before I prepared my mother's breakfast. And it is a work day, so I gotta get to work. But I don't know, I've had some things on my mind. You ever just wake up like, I don't know, melancholy and not really sad, but like just stuff on your mind and you don't know why. It's just, or you do know why, but it's, I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, I would really like to make sure, this is day 8 of this fast. I need to pray for, I just need to pray for consistency. I need to pray for peace. You know, I don't know, I just feel uneasy. And I don't know why. I don't know why. Anyway, but one thing that I've done is I said that I can't buy another article of clothing or anything that I don't need until I have reached a certain goal. I would like to get down to 210 before I'm able to buy anything else. And that's even if that takes 6 months, whatever, that means I don't need no new clothes, right? That means I can still fit, excuse me, every item that's in my closet. So there's no need for me to be continuing to buy things. That's going to help me with my resolution of overspending. I also want to get a table console or a couch console. I forgot what it is. The long table where you can put pictures and stuff on. I have one in my hallway. I like to put one in my front room. I found a beautiful one that's like $700, and I need to be able to have earned that. And that's pretty much where I'm going with everything, is that I need to start earning stuff instead of just going because I have the money. Just I have to find justification that I've earned it. And so I've set a goal for myself of to buy that console, that I must close a certain amount of loans at work in order to be able to purchase that console, because I don't want to put it on a credit card. I want to go ahead and pay for it cash. Also, I had been reading, and I think I already mentioned this before, that I had been reading the book Will. He has so many great gems that I highlighted and all that. Like, he has a lot of things that just make you think. And it's a no wonder that he's so successful, because he's so disciplined and his thought process is not normal, meaning the average person thinks the opposite of how he thinks and how he views life. But I have really been happy with the reading. I have really, really, truly been happy with the reading. And there's a lot of things that I've pondered on, that I've mulled over, that I've basically meditated on some of his words. And the main thing was, one that I'm already dealing with is putting yourself first. How can you be good to anybody else if you're not good to yourself? And you guys know that I entered therapy. I've been going through that. It's been about 2 months now that I've been in therapy, and it has been a lifesaver. And that's also one of the things that she talked about in therapy, is that I'm self-sacrificing. I sacrifice myself for a lot for my family. I'll do things that are to my detriment just to make them happy or make their lives easier. And he was saying in his book how you have to place yourself first, because you're no good to anybody else. If you're unhealthy, or if you're not in a position to help because you're helping everybody else, you're no good to them. So even though I'd kind of heard similar quotes before, like my girlfriend was telling me, if the plane's going down, you gotta put your mask on first. You don't know if that person's gonna panic and not put their mask on or whatever, but at least one of y'all gonna survive if you put your mask on. So yeah, so check out the book. I started a book club with some of my girlfriends. We're gonna read books quarterly, and that's our first selection. And so far, I am very enlightened and by the book. I think it was a good choice. Normally, I love fiction, but just to hear an average person and how they came about in Hollywood to be one of the biggest stars in the world, it's very, very encouraging to know that if you put your mind to anything, that it can come true. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, but that's it. But anyway, y'all, I am going to go. It is 10 minutes to 8. I normally clock in at 8 o'clock. But I want to make my bed. I don't always make my bed. And that's another thing that I had said I need to put on my list of things to accomplish for 2022, is to get this bed made daily. Now, I might throw the covers over the bed, but to make my bed, put the pillows where they go and all of that, I'm not as consistent as I need to be. So I'm going to go upstairs and make my bed and get myself all together for work, and I will talk to y'all later.